Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, we are going to talk about how can we change text size in iPhone 13. Guys, you want to change your text size in iPhone, so guys you can change. Guys, now let's see how to change text size in iPhone 13 phone. So well, let's see how to change it. In this video guys, I will show you. So I first of all guys, come in your phone setting app to change your text size. Now guys, click on guys this display and brightness setting. Display and brightness setting guys, click here and guys scroll it. Then guys you can see your text size. So guys you can change your text size from here guys. So we will change by this large size. So as you can see your text size has changed in iPhone guys. So as you can change your text size like that. So I hope friends you have understood how to change text size in iPhone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching my video. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. Before going, please go and like and subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.